Welcome. This is Math 3, College Algebra. My name is Professor Vazquez. I have been an instructor at PCC for several years, and I'm excited to be your instructor this semester. This class will be a combination of synchronous and asynchronous learning. We will meet once a week face-to-face, and the day we don't meet, you will be responsible for other material assigned to be completed. You will work independently the rest of the week. If things change, I will see you in Zoom, and the other day will still be an independent day. Blank lecture notes will be posted. A physical copy of the textbook is not required. I'm going to start off with announcements on Canvas, how to send me emails through Canvas, and I will be responding to you through emails on Canvas. Okay, so that's what we're going to be learning. Okay, so now here are the instructions. Go ahead and use your computer as I go over these instructions with you. Go to www.pasadena.edu and log in. Going to account, we're going to select notifications to select the things that you want, okay? Step 4, you may repeat the steps to add or remove other information, other notifications that you want or you don't want. Step 5, optional, you may go into your profile to add a picture or other information, and then I will teach you how to send me an email through Canvas inbox. Okay, let me go ahead and get started with that. So I am going to go into Canvas, okay? You're going to go into your account. Here's the account. You go ahead and see the little hand right here. Go ahead and click into account. Go ahead and select notifications. When you select notifications, this is what the window is going to look like. Right here, you are going to select the things that you want. It shows the email, okay, that I have, and then it says notifications. If you want to get notification on grading policies, you are going to turn it on. Okay, so you click on it and it says, go ahead and notify me immediately. Go ahead and send me a weekly summary. Right now I have it off since I am not a student anymore. I have it off. But if you're a student, you want to have it on because you want to know what your grade is and get notified immediately. And then you can also click right here if you want to push it to other devices like your cell phone, your iPad, your computer, and other devices that you might have. Okay. The course content, the files, announcements, as you can see, I do have the announcements in green, okay? Because I want to make sure that all of you guys get notified for the announcements. So I like it green, okay? And then once again, if I was a student, I will turn it on, okay? And if you turn it on, then it will turn green, okay? If you don't want it anymore, okay, then you can turn it off. Okay, so you decide what things you want to turn on and what things you want to turn off, okay? Here's another thing that I kind of want. Okay, so for example, things that are important for me are the announcements, the grading, okay, the conversations, the messages, the discussions. You can see that all of these ones are green for me, but you can turn them on over here if you want them for all of your devices. Okay, now, if you wanna add a picture, okay, go into profile, and you can read right here about me, so you can get to know me a little more. Okay, I have taught courses across mathematics at San Bernardino Valley College, Cal State LA, Mount SAC, East LA College. I have also served as a tutor for the engineering department at Cal State LA and Mount SAC. At the Learning Assistance Center, I had different experiences, and I would like my students to feel comfortable when asking questions, etc. You can click right here And you guys can upload a picture if you guys want to upload a picture, any picture of your choice, that will be fine, etc. Okay. Okay, so now we're done right here. Okay, now in order for you to be able to send me an email, okay, if you want to send me an email, you're going to click where it says inbox, okay, and if you click it right here, it will take you to this place where you can see like a little pencil, and it will pop up, and then you can type the email that you want. Okay, so here are my courses, and that will be it. Okay, now let me go ahead and continue with the PowerPoint. Okay. Let me go ahead and go over the syllabus and the syllabus quiz. You will be responsible for to read the syllabus and the classroom policies in its entirety, and make sure to do the syllabus quiz on Canvas. You may find a copy of the syllabus in the Start Here button. Once done reading the syllabus and the classroom policies, go ahead and take the syllabus quiz and just go ahead and follow the next button. Okay. Why are we here? Or when are we going to use math in life? Okay. We use mathematics in real life in building design and architecture. We also use it in sports performance analysis. You can also see mathematics in the 21st century medicine, urban planning, VR video game design, automated transportation design, and other places that are not mentioned in here. Okay. Let me go ahead and move on to the discussions. This is how I'm going to be grading you. We have 10% of your grade will be on discussions. You will be assigned a few discussions throughout the semester. Let's say between 2 and 7. You will have 1 week to complete them. First, you will respond to the prompt in a paragraph form. Second, you will be required to make a comment to at least 2 classmates from their prompt. You don't have to agree with their comments. In fact, it would be fine to disagree with their opinions and share them where you're supposed to share them. Discussions are going to be done on Canvas. You may find them under the discussion tab. In a moment, I'm going to show you where to find all this information that we're talking about in Canvas. Homework. Your homework will be worth 10% of your grade. You must buy an access code for the homework. Access code comes with an ebook. No hard copy of the textbook will be required. Students need to log in using their WebAssign credentials. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. Once your account is created, it will ask you if you want to purchase or use the free trial. After you choose an option, you should have access to WebAssign. Free trial, it's for 14 days for a 16-week semester and 6 days for a 6-week term. Now, I really don't recommend you using the 14-day trial because sometimes students use a different account, they lose track of the accounts, and for a certain reason, they cannot put it back together. So I would say just to buy it right away, okay? Students can benefit from the special pricing with WebAssign if you log into your account through Canvas. WebAssign access for Math 3 and 8, you will pay $50. So $50 for 2 textbooks or 2 classes, Math 3 and Math 8. If you set up the account outside of Canvas, you will be paying the standard price. The link below provides instructions on how to set up your account through Canvas. Make sure you use the link that it's here and that it will also be in Canvas, okay, for you guys to use. Okay, you guys will be doing the homework on WebAssign. At the end of the semester, I'm going to transfer the overall percent to Canvas. So at the beginning, you are not going to be able to see the overall percent for the homework, but at the end, you will be able to see that percent at the end, okay? Do not send me emails on WebAssign, okay? I forget to check those emails sent send me emails through Canvas inbox. Okay, I just showed you a few minutes ago how to send me an emails through Canvas. Okay. Quizzes are going to be 10% of your grade. There may be quizzes on WebAssign, but most of the quizzes will take place in class. You must show your work, step-by-step work for quizzes and tests. I will transfer your quiz scores to Canvas manually if we take any of those quizzes on WebAssign. However, I don't think this semester will have anything planned as quizzes or tests on WebAssign, only the homework. If you have questions, don't send me emails through WebAssign. Send them through Canvas inbox. Test. Your test will be 50% of your grade. You may look at the sample test from the previous Math 3 class to see an example of how your tests are going to look. You're going to be required to show step-by-step work. Work used in class. Uno notation will give you 0 points for the work and effort. You may dispute the 0 points in the meeting, or you can prove you know the material. And then I will give you those points that you lost. Test may have true, false questions, step-by-step work problems, maybe different versions of the test. There will also be an assignment, the assignment that's called the All About Me card. Look at the example on Canvas and submit as a PDF file on Canvas. This assignment is part of your homework. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you all these things that I kind of mentioned before I move on. Okay, so when you log in, okay, you're gonna see the folders depending on the number of the teachers that are using Canvas. In this case, this is my folder, so I'm going to go into it. And all of you guys should be able to see the same page that you see on my screen. You are going to click where it says the Start Here button. When you click the Start Here, I'm going to guide you through all of these things. You're going to see this video in here also. Okay. Gonna click Next. As you click Next, you're going to see where it says Syllabus. You can see an arrow right here. If you click on the arrow and you click on Download, your syllabus will download and you will be able to read the syllabus for this semester. Okay. So if I open up the syllabus, you should be able to see all the necessary information. You can see my name. You can see that this is for the spring 2022. You can see the CRN. You can see the time. And you can see the location of class, okay? We will be seeing each other in R403 on Wednesdays, okay? Only on Wednesdays. Wednesdays at 9:45, 9:45 to 12:15. Mondays is going to be an independent day for you, okay? Office hours are to be determined, okay? And I will put them in Canvas also. Okay, so you're required to read the syllabus on your own. There's the holidays. You can see the classroom policies are here. Okay, a few minutes ago, I described the homework, you know, how much percent, the discussion, the quizzes, exams, and so forth. Your final exam is already scheduled for Wednesday, May 4th. Okay? So you can see the copy of the syllabus is here. If you close it, you're back into the Canvas page where you can continue by clicking the next. If you click the next button, you can see the classroom policies again. I need you to reread them again and make sure you understand them. If you're ready, then you're going to click on the syllabus and policies quiz, okay? You will have 2 attempts, okay? There's no makeups for the quizzes or tests. Okay, so it says that it's available January 10th and it will close January 14th, okay? So you have those days to complete it. You have 2 attempts to improve the score if that's what you want. Just click next. You're going to read the instructions for WebAssign, and then you can also see the link that you kind of saw earlier. You have issues or problems with it. Okay. You're going to click on next. You're going to see the All About Me card right here. And you can see that right now, it's not available yet. But in order for me to be able to see your file has to be saved as a PDF file. Okay. Not even if I try to show you the link, you wouldn't be able to see it. But once you see it, there will be a link for you to turn it in and to attach the file. Just click next. You will have one discussion. Okay. This will be your first discussion, and you can see that this discussion will be available January 19th. And you have to post a comment on the topic. Then you will be required to reply to 2 of your classmates by Saturday, January 22nd. Okay. Once you're done posting right here, it says reply. This is the place where you guys are going to be replying and placing a post. And then you just place the reply. Click next. And then it says you're done with the instructions. If you keep on clicking next, it's going to move you automatically into the week 1. Okay. So it will take you to the week 1. Let me go ahead and go into the home page. This is the most important thing. Okay, I need you guys to make sure you start right here. Okay. Next. This is a hybrid course. And the hybrid course, you just need the things that you see labeled in here. You will be responsible to be able to get a copy of the outline notes. Okay, you can see. So I'm going to click on the outline notes. And you can see that this outline notes are already available to you. So if you click on the arrow again, you're going to download a copy of the outline notes that we're going to go over in class 1.1, 1.2. Actually, this is the independent day. You still need them because you're going to see the video on your own. Wednesday, I'm going to see you. You will need a copy of the 1.3 notes. So you have to print these notes before you come to class. Okay, at the end of the week, this is what you need to complete. You got to do the syllabus quiz, you got to do the discussion, and you got to do the homework. And then I kind of label the sections that you need to complete at the end of that weekend. When we move on into week 2, you can see that we will have our first holiday, Martin Luther King. There's no independent videos. It's a day off. But if you need to do anything or if you need to catch up, you can, see any videos from the previous week. Or you can also see the new videos over here. However, you will still be missing what we're going to go over in class. So in class, we will go over 1.5 and 1.6. You guys will have your first quiz, and your first quiz will be in class, and it will consist of sections 1.1 to 1.3. Okay. At the end of the week, you got to do the homework and make sure to do any videos, etc. Okay, I think it makes sense on how to read this. Okay, so far I have only added the first 4 weeks of the semester. Okay, I also labeled the day when you guys are going to be taking your first test. Okay, test number 1 will take place on Wednesday, February 2nd. And then this is the homework that you got to complete at the end. Okay, so let me go ahead and go back to the home page. To go into the homework, okay, you're going to click right here where it says homework. This is going to direct you into a separate link. You gotta click where it says Load Math 3 in a new window. Okay, so you're gonna click right here. If I click on this one, it's going to take me into a separate page that you guys don't see. You guys will not be able to see this one. Okay, so this is mine. This is what I see because I am the professor. But you guys will not be able to see this. Yours will show up in a different form. Okay, you can see that the roster is 0 students because class has not started yet. But if I click on the class schedule, okay, the class schedule is here, okay, and you can see that the homework's already available. They will be available to you on January 10th. You can see that most of the sections will be available to you January 10th. Some will change to February 1st, like chapter 3. And you can see the due date. The due date is here. And then you can still see some of those sections because your class will end the week before May 7th. Okay. Now, if I click on the student view, you will be able to see that the page it's different. Okay, so I will have to click onto yours. But if you buy the access code, which I'm assuming that most students will buy this access code once classes start, then you should be able to see the assignments right here, okay? But for the current time, since I'm doing this video before school starts, I don't have any access to the assignments because the assignments say that it will start on January 10th. So that's the reason why there's no assignments here. Okay, super important. Let me see. The ebook. The ebook, it's here. If you click on my ebook, you can click on it and you're gonna select the pre-calculus with core requisite support 7th edition, okay? And it will take you to the ebook if you wanna be able to read the book. And then you can see right here, the chapter 1, if you click on chapter 1, that's where we're going to start. You will be able to see all of the necessary things that you need, okay? You will just click the arrow button and so forth. I think that's it. Let me go ahead and go back. Okay, that's how you're going to be doing your homework. So I cannot really show you exactly where to get the assignment, but once you get the assignment, you're going to have to turn in the assignment. There will be like a little button that says submit, and you will just submit the assignment to me. Okay, moving on. It says solutions to the test. If you click where it says solutions to the test, of course, there's no solutions to your test. There's no solutions yet because you guys haven't taken no solutions, but some solutions to previous tests are here. It says some solutions. Let me go ahead and click right here. Now in this case, it seems like if I have 4, but sometimes I don't add all 4. Okay, so this is the way I will expect you guys to be able to do the work in class or your submission. Here's the true false question that I told you about. And this is what, you know, you gotta show work. And so this is a copy of one of the solutions to a test. Okay, so now Let me go ahead and move on. Examples of all test review handouts. If you click right here, you should be able to see for your class examples of all tests. Okay, so you have 4 tests that are examples for you to be able to see. Those examples do not have the solutions. They are blank all tests. And then here are the reviews, okay? Practice reviews for your class. So you can get a copy of the chapter 1 review, chapter of section 2.1 to 2.4 review, review to 2.5 to 2.8, review to chapter 3, and so forth. So I decided to kind of stop right here. But this is a place where you're going to be able to see all of your reviews. Okay, our class videos are going to be in here. Okay. So for example, your independent videos are going to be Monday, okay? Monday are the independent videos. So introduction video and take the syllabus quiz on Canvas. This is the video that you guys are watching right now. But you will be responsible to see section 1.1, which the video is already available, 1.2 also, and I divided it into 2 different parts so the video is not so lengthy. Then there's no video for week number 2, and then there will be the 2 videos here for week number 3. Okay. Those will be your independent videos that you're supposed to watch on your own, at your own pace, whenever you have time, but you have to complete them before you come to class. It says links to class and office hours. My goal is we don't have a Zoom class link, okay, so we don't have none this semester, but there will be some office hours that will be in school and then face-to-face, and then there will be other ones that will be through Zoom. Once I have that Zoom link and days and times, I'm going to put it in here for everyone to be able to see. Okay, then we have Canvas issues. So if you have any Canvas issues, feel free to come in here and see, you know, contact the people that you need to contact. So if you have issues with Canvas, here's a phone number, here's another phone number, here's a link. If you have Cengage issues, then there's a link also for Cengage. This one has to be changed though, so don't worry about that one. I will change it whenever I can. Okay, and last, if you need to attend the tutoring center, okay, you can click where it says tutoring. And the tutoring is in here. You can see in-person tutoring. We have the times. Remote tutoring. So if, let's just say you're not able to attend the tutoring lab in person and you want to be able to do it remotely, then you just go into this link right here and you read it. There's workshops, they have handouts, they have other things if you want to participate or if you want to take advantage of their services. Okay. I am missing one thing, okay? And I think that the thing that I am missing is the All About Me card. So let me go ahead and share the All About Me card very quickly here. Here's an example of the All About Me card. You guys are going to be responsible to share the questions that you see here. Place a recent picture of you and write your name below your picture. Please answer the following questions using complete sentences. What are the expectations that you have of this class? Do you have a job now? What do you do and how many hours do you work? What are some of your hobbies and what is your major? Can you share something interesting about yourself? Okay, here's mine. That's my picture. This is Professor Sandra Vazquez Celaya. The expectations that I have are that students will see the assigned videos, they will do the homework, They will sign into Zoom if it's necessary to ask me questions or attend office hours, and together we will succeed. I am a full-time professor for Pasadena City College, and I work between 30 to 50 hours a week. Some of my hobbies are coloring with my children, playing basketball, and creating necklaces or rosaries. Something interesting is that we had a squirrel pet for about a year. Her nest was destroyed, and with no mom to take care of her, she followed my children on the yard until we took her in as a pet. It was an awesome experience, just to have her. Okay, let me go ahead and return. This is what you gotta complete for me, and this is the All About Me card. So you guys will turn this into me. Okay, let me go ahead and return back to the PowerPoint. Okay, so now you guys have everything. Available resources. Log in to Canvas and go directly to our class folder. You will find the link to request tutoring. We talked about it right now. The link to go directly into WebAssign homework. That's the place where you have to go. Remember, in order for you guys to do your homework, you have to log in through Canvas, then go into the WebAssign link that you see there. You cannot sign outside of Canvas because otherwise I will not be able to get your homework. Okay, you will be able to get copy of the outline notes. Okay, and in order for you to be able to do that, you got to go into the course schedule. Solutions or test will be there. If you're having Canvas WebAssign issues, then you can find a phone number or contact information for help. You may find examples of the old tests given in the previous class, week by week guidance and explanations with help videos, our lecture videos for our class notes. Final exam will be 20%. I do weighted grading. Let me go ahead and explain how the weighted grading works. So let's just say we're very close to the end of the semester. And let's just say that the discussions, everybody knows that it's 10%, quizzes are 10%, homework 10%, tests 50, final 20. There's a total of 100%. Example of a student. So let's just say I have a student that got 70% on the discussion, 80% on the quizzes, 0% on the homework. So they decided not to buy the access code. They decided not to do the homework. They have 80% on the test. They have 75% on the final. And what is the percent at the end of the semester for this student? Okay, so whatever you do this, basically you get the percent, which is 70, and you multiply it by 0.10. 0.10 because it has to be a normal number, decimal number. And then 80 times 0.10, 0 times 0.10, 80 times 0.50, 75 times 0.20. You find the sum. In this case, the student managed to pass with the 70%, which is a grade of a C. Now, if you really do think about this, most likely either some quizzes right here on WebAssign, this student is going to get very affected because if they decided not to buy the access code, then their quizzes percent right here might also be 0. So even though the discussion was 70 and even though the tests were 80% and the final was 75, this year will drop their grade down. So they might not even pass. So please consider buying the WebAssign access code into the homework. Okay, grade will be affected depending on how much work you do to improve. Okay, summary and things to turn in. Don't wait to the last minute to ask questions. You gotta read and take the syllabus quiz and policies. Do the All About Me card and submit. Create an account and buy an access code for WebAssign. Get a copy of the blank notes for the week. Do the discussion. Send me an email through Canvas inbox or stay after class to ask me questions. And then come see me during office hours. Office hours will start the second week of the semester. Okay. I will see you next time. Okay. Enjoy the rest of the day. Okay. Bye.